How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another video. It is currently Friday morning, July 18th, and the market opens up in about 15 minutes here. So today's video is going to be an old-fashioned Amazon vlog, because I haven't done one of those in quite a while, and I figured that since I have work today, we might as well record there, because I didn't start recording anything yesterday. So yeah, we're just going to do some trading, and then go to work. And yeah, first I want to hop on the PC and just kind of break down my stats for July so far. I'm doing all right this month. I'm doing better than last month. June was pretty rough for me, but I'm making it back so far in July. It's definitely nothing crazy. I'm still using pretty small size, like risking like 50, 60 bucks a trade, just because I'm building a foundation in trading. I'm not focused on just chasing big profits. Sorry, I'm getting distracted by the indices right now. They're pulling back pretty dramatically. Like ES had a pretty big move up after it reclaimed, what is this, the prior day high? Yeah, now it's pulling back right to it. So we'll see if we get a long setup today, because we are at all-time highs on ES and NQ right now. So there hasn't really been much to short. Alright, so here's my stats from July. As you can see, we're up on the month, not by much, but I think the most important thing is that I'm practicing good habits like risk management. I have not had any big losing days. I'm keeping my losses small and trying to have slightly bigger winners. So just to go through a couple setups I've taken this week. On Monday, I just got like a quick 1-to-1 on RTY. This was a simple 5-minute higher low right above a level. The markets were pretty slow and choppy this day, so I basically took it off at high a day for just like basically a 1-hour trade. A couple of break-evens, although I guess they could be considered small losses, whatever. And yesterday I caught a nice 2-hour trade on ES, which was really clean. We had prior day high, we had a 50% pullback. While it did go over 50% by a little bit, it still hit like the, I don't know, Fibonacci golden zone, you could call it. But the point is, it still set a nice like 5-minute higher low, and I went long here with a stop around the 04s. And then for my target, I used a measured move of this bull leg here. So you measure this leg here, clone this, and then move this to here. And I basically sold it once we reached a measured move of this leg here. So it worked pretty well, but there was a really nice re-entry off the prior day high here. Like I could have entered above this bar with the stop below it. That would have led to a very nice winner. So anyway, now let's just get ready for today. Yeah, let's see what we get today. Okay, so I have found myself into an RTY long, which I'm kind of regretting not waiting for a second 5-minute entry. The first 5-minute entry was just a little too quick off the open, and then I kind of found a slightly lower probability entry on the 2-minute, which is, it's alright, my risk is managed. No, I'm not risking much at all, but I think I let the other indices sort of give me a long bias, because ES and NQ started going up, but RTY has been a little bit weaker. So I'm expecting to eat a stop on this, as Jake says, or as Rake Trades says. He's like, fully expecting to eat a stop on this trade, which is okay. Jake has helped me get over hesitation a lot. He says like part of your edge as a trader is found simply in your willingness to try trades. And one of the biggest things that was always holding me back was hesitation and just fear and being scared to try trades. And because one thing I noticed about Rake Trades, oh my goodness, what was that? There's a big spike lower on ES and NQ there. Alright, we took our loss there. That's probably all I'm going to do today, because looking at ES and NQ now, they're not looking great. But yeah, as I was saying, I think I'm definitely getting better at getting over hesitation, and just being willing to try trades when I see them. So far, I do not like the way this news candle went. Alright, I have not taken any other trades today. We got a pretty big sell-off, which I was not expecting. Like, after I tried that long, I'm probably done for the day. I was wondering if I should take this potential lower high below this level here on NQ. I should probably just walk away and start getting ready for work, but let's just see how price reacts to this level. Alright, we're at work now. Got kind of a hectic start to the day because they gave me the bag with like the phone and the charger in it, and there was no key. Like I didn't have a key to this van. And I'm asking the dispatcher like, hey, where's the key? So finally we got it, we found it. But it's just been kind of a hectic start to the day. But we're about to go into the station and get loaded up. Pretty big route today, but it's honestly kind of an average route now. About 300 packages, or 295 this says. It's a good thing we avoided that NQ trade. I was considering taking that short right there. It would have got stopped out and then went down. So yeah, not a terrible week of trading, but not anything good still. I mean, I'm still not really making a significant dent in these funded accounts. But yeah, I'm just focused on building a foundation, like I said earlier. So anyway, enjoy some delivering clips in a little bit. Looks like there's kind of a delay on this freeway here. They've got a lane closed. So the traffic is really bad, and now we might not get to our first stop for a little while still. So this will be interesting. Yeah, look at how backed up that is. Well, we'll see. All right, it didn't take that long. That probably only put me back by like 5 or 10 minutes, but one of our first few stops here is a school. Man, we got a full van today, like usual. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go deliver these. Let's get some more deliveries done. I managed to survive another Prime week at Amazon. It really wasn't terrible because now I'm only working 3 days a week at Amazon instead of 4 days. Amazon does 4 10-hour days, if you didn't know. And so I dropped down to 3 days a week, so I can do more work for my dad's small business. So yeah, it wasn't that bad, but we got through it, and now it's kind of back to normal, which is still like 300 packages a day. Got a group stop across the street here. And that's a wrap. Just one package left. It was a closed business, so I couldn't do it. So yeah, now we're ready to head back to the station. I talked to dispatch and we have to drop off our work phone. We have to basically bring it to another driver because they're having issues with their phone. So they're gonna send me an address. I'll do that and then head back to the station and I'll be done for the day. And I think that'll probably be it for this video. So it was really just a quick little update video. All right, that's a wrap on the day. I beat the rain. It's supposed to start raining later on, but looks like I was able to dodge it. But I came prepared. Wore the Timberlands as well as I brought a rain jacket too. Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and end the video here. I'm not gonna make the outro super long and cringy. I feel like sometimes I just start rambling and saying the same things over and over again. So yeah, this was just a little update video. It had been like probably 2 weeks since my last one, so I'm like, alright, I gotta give the people an update. I'm doing better than last month, but I think I still need to step on the gas a little more and just work on confidence. So hopefully we'll do better next week. So stay tuned for the next update. So once again, thank you all for following me along this long journey. I believe I will get there eventually. It's just gonna take some more time, but I'm still showing up every day. So thank you all so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.